Here I am taking one more question on the same type, but here you can see in the expression 10 raised to power n plus 3 into 4 raised to power n plus 2 plus 5 is divisible by 9. Means there are two terms in which we are having n in the index or power. So how to do these type of question? First of all, I take the step 1. Put n as 1. This is 10 raised to power 1 plus 3 into 4 raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 5. That becomes 10 plus 3 into 4 raised to power cube. That is 10 plus 64 into 3 plus 5. This total gives you 207, which is clearly divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. So we have P1 is true. Now moving to step 2, assume Pk to be true. That means we are having now 10 raised to power k plus 3 into 4 raised to power k plus 2 plus 5 is divisible by 9. Again, I want to use it in next step, so I convert it into an equation. That is, I can take, if it is divisible by 9, I can write it as sum 9 times m, where m is any integer. You know this is the set of integers, right? Now again I convert one term into the terms of other to use it later on. Now first of all I will write what is to prove pk plus 1. Pk plus 1, by replacing n as k plus 1, this becomes 10 to the power k plus 1 plus 3 into 4 to the power k plus 1 plus 2 plus 5. This is your divisible by 9. That means 10 to the power k plus 1 plus 3 into 4 to the power k plus 3 plus 5. This expression we want to prove as divisible by 9. Now see this, I can't directly use this as 9m because this is not the expression. We can take common or whatever. What will I do? I will take one term to other side and I will write the expression like this. You can see it. I have taken all these terms to the side so that I can substitute the value of 10 raised to power k. You can take this term to the side and you can substitute its value also. It is up to you. This is your first equation. Now, what will I do? I will write 10k and 10 power 1 plus 3 into 4 to the power k plus 3 plus 5. I have broken this into two parts so that I can substitute its value from the first equation, that is 9n minus 3 into 4 raised to power k plus 2 minus 5 and 10 multiplied plus 3 into 4. I have again taken 4 separate here so that this part combined with this term, like terms, we can combine like this. Now what we get? 90n minus 10 into 3, 30 into 4 raised to power k plus 2 minus 50 plus this is 12 into 4 raised to power k plus 2 plus 5. Now these two terms combined as minus 30 plus 12, that is yours minus 18 times 4 raised to power k plus 2 and minus 50 plus 5, that is minus 45. In all these terms I can take 9 common. I want to show this is divisible by 9. Maybe there is a bigger factor, but I will take 9 common to show that this is divisible by 9, which is clearly divisible by 9. You can see. So we have pk plus 1 is true whenever pk is true, and hence by induction pn is true for every natural number n.